Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about the password generator in the Python. So let's dive into the code level. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with our password generator. So you can generate the random passwords, okay, and strong passwords, okay. And here we go with this one. So random and the string. So generate password length, whatever length you want to define. Characters, so sky letters, digits and the punctuations and the password, okay. Random dot choice dot characters foreign in the range with the length, and return the password, right? So this is the function of that one that you can use and print the strong password over here. Okay, let's have a look that passwords what it generates. And here you can see that the password it has generated like this. If I go and check this password, test password, password strength, okay, let's check the password strength meter. Okay, let's see, it says very strong, right? So you can see that the how the password is generated. So whenever you want to generate the password and save into the db, so you can use this one, okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.